Premium interior rebuild, new black leather and Alcantara surfaces are installed, dashboard restored, steering wheel fitted, screens cleaned, carpets replaced, and trim pieces carefully aligned. Soft cinematic lighting emphasizes luxury materials. Low front 3/4 hero shot inside a pristine studio garage. The fully restored MG sits under dramatic cinematic lighting, finished in flawless deep metallic British racing green, with immaculate wheels and premium interior. Garage doors open slowly as golden sunlight floods the scene. Epic transformation payoff. From neglected wreck to showroom-quality modern MG. Scene 18. Test drive. First-person driver POV inside the restored MG. Premium cabin illuminated by sunset. The engine starts. Digital displays activate, and the car smoothly accelerates onto an open highway. Glossy green hood visible through the windshield. Golden hour reflections. Realistic road motion. Cinematic final shot. 4K ultra photorealistic automotive film.